Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, the Unson on Wall Street, here from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. What a whirlwind of a day. Quarter for 250,000, 3/8. Take them. The ceiling, the floor. We're here on the floor of the NYSE. Actually, not a bad day. We started in green territory, and we did for most of the day until a number of things happened. Something with Saudi Arabia and the president. Then we had some bombs heard over Iran that kind of took the market down to its second leg on the way down. So look, we're solid. 49.5 on the Dow, still above 7,300 on the S&P. That's spectacular with a market that's off 30, 40 handles on the SPY. 1.4 billion on the tape, 2-to-1 down volume versus up. Transports once again in negative territory because we're seeing that risk on trade where Brent is being forced up and the market is being forced down. That's it. We don't need to read that much more into it. We've had day after day hitting record highs across the board. Look, for a number of weeks now, and we are so far into, sort of overbought territory in a lot of different ways. This was the fastest move from oversold to overbought territory that we've seen in probably a century. Right? So we need to understand where we are and the strength and the foundation that we've been building over the last couple of weeks. We didn't just sort of spike up on a bunch of irrational enthusiasm. We've been building our way. The trend is your friend. We've been building our way back. A little bit of a pullback is actually healthy for the market. That is foundational. We're building a foundation, kind of like steps on the way to higher ground. That's it, man. Check out Stevie Wonder. Higher ground, I love you. SPY closing out down 33 handles, 1.4 billion on the tape. We're in great territory. Market seems strong. I don't want to read too much into it. Big jobs report tomorrow. So there's still some uncertainty of the market, but you know what? People aren't really selling this market. They're looking to buy it. And sometimes they get a little bit weak on the buy side. They're going to just, they're going to take a breather. And that's okay. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's close out this week. Let's see what happens. The sell in May and go away doesn't even look like it's a dream at this point. I think we're super solid. It's going to be a beautiful night. Go out there and enjoy your day. The Unson on Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm out of here. Have a great night. Boom, bash, sonar.